So ito, retaso na aluminum tube. Outside diameter is 16 mm, and then inside diameter is 13 mm. Perfect for darts. So we will try to use this to cut it. So halimbawa dyan lang, okay, so tighten mo lang siyang konti, and then tapat mo lang siyang ganyan, and then the idea is you don't tighten it so much, and then isang ikot, siguro many turns, and then tighten mo ng bahagya, cut uli, tighten uli, cut, tighten, and then cut, and malapit na, cut, cut, konti na lang, so tiyaga lang talaga ito. Again, walang shortcut. Eventually you get there, tapos you'll just notice na it will simply just pop out. Yan, there. So ito yung sinasabi ko, nagte-taper siya sa loob. Although you can file that off, but in general lumiliit talaga yung diameter niya. So if you don't remove that, right now the inside is reduced to parang mga nasa 12.5 na lang. Now you can use this to remove the ano bang tawag dyan, yung kanyang mga burrs sa loob. Yan. So ganun lang. Pero it's not as easy tsaka consistent, but it should do the job. There. Yan. Tapos syempre you could also file it. Pwede mo rin siyang sand. So ito yung sinasabi kong nagte-taper. So I don't know kung kita, but if you try to look at it across, yan, nagte-taper siya ever so slightly. So lumiliit siya because of the when you cut it with this, nako-compress siya. So lumiliit yung inside diameter niya at the very tip. So may chance na baka mag-stuck yung dart. So that's why I avoid yan, naging ano na lang siya, 12.8. So that's why I try to avoid using this to cut. Yan.